Hi everyone, good morning this morning. Aunty Clair back on the channel. Yes.
So today
I'm doing some jerk poke. You can see biggie poke, lots of poke. Yeah. I'm marinating it up now. And I'm doing some jerk chicken. Okay? So you all can see this is the way I do it. So I have ginger. You can see the ginger, lots of ginger, onion, thyme, lots of garlic. I use lots of garlic.
What's that other vegetable?
Yes.
Pepper?
Pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, the real Scotchy.
I know what seasonings
Yes.
did you use?
And I'm gonna use some browning, some Maggi, and you already know my jerk sauce that I make. I make my jerk sauce from scratch.
Yeah, it's up there.
Yeah. So this is the way I'm gonna do my jerk pork. So I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that it don't charge for to touch the notice button and tell a friend.
To tell a friend.
Tell a friend.
And press the like button, guys, and leave a
Press
comment.
up. Leave comments below. Please and thank you. Please and thank you.
Your voice.
Yes, it's having a little cold, so that's the reason why. So just like up the channel. Like it up. Aunty Clair, wicked. Touch piece of my pork. Delicious. Dilly lily. God bless channel.